Nagaliang minturang ba ula kular ba unpai ba kan omdan satia ka jingdu na bam ha ka ni ka jalla bat lem kum tau la kun turu i ba ban oms ir ne tieng ha bai dei bat ka bam ka di ha ka wi pat kaliang ulu ong ba ki bod sik kin pej ba kan omdan satia ka jing o dor tam ya ki mar bam ula berngam ru ba un le dak bateng ya ki tu ki dukan ki ba sim ka bu bat pen ken ya ka te ka jing tha chong ka sarkar.
There is no need for any kind of buying large quantities of food produced or anything for any household or any community. Tomorrow's program is just a 24-hour program. Day after tomorrow, 2 days later, things will be back to normal. But we still advise social distancing and avoiding crowded places. But there is no need to buy additional food items. And at the same time, as I said, the supply of food items and other items is very much there. I also want to inform that what's it called?
Epidemic disease.
Yeah, the Epidemic Disease Act has also been activated, which we are ensuring that any of these activities that are done, by any individual or any organizations, action will be taken against them. Even the Consumer Act also has been activated. Therefore, I want to inform through the media to the people of the state and also to the different shopkeepers and wholesalers that if we find any kind of hoarding or if we find any kind of instance where public is being overcharged for essential commodities, strict action will be taken against those shops and against those wholesalers who are going to cause inconvenience to the people. So I must make this very clear, and if there are any such cases, I would urge the people to kindly inform us either through the deputy commissioners or through any of the officials that are there, especially in the Food and Civil Supplies Department. But you can obviously inform the deputy commissioner's office would be the best place. So therefore, we want to send this message also to everybody that we will not allow any shops or any wholesalers or any kind of suppliers to overcharge the people. Today also we received some complaints and we are taking action against those complaints also.